Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. I am your Max Tutor Subramanian. We are doing previous year CBSE board exam sums, chapter 10 vector algebra children. We have already completed 85 sums in the worksheet. I hope you all have worksheet. If you need now, you kindly inform. We will send the link for the worksheet. So these are all the board exam questions, compiled question children. Now 86th one pa. ABC with the position vectors, we have a three vectors respectively are the vertices of a right angled triangle. Hence, find the area of a triangle. Children, this concept we already know. It was there in the book. So, we have more ways to do it. One of the way is very traditional way, finding AB vector. You have to subtract B vector and A vector. B vector is right and A vector is right. Get the AB vector as minus I cap, minus 2j cap, minus 6k cap. And find the magnitude of AB. You know how to find the magnitude of AB. Root over A square plus B square plus C square. Get root 41. Same way BC vector is C vector minus B vector. Get 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Then magnitude of BC vector is root over 6. Then find AC vector, C vector minus A vector and get the value I cap minus 3j cap minus 5k cap. Magnitude of AC vector is root over 35. How we will prove it is right angle triangle, bigger square, bigger magnitude square. You have to keep separately, like magnitude of AB square separately 41. Magnitude of BC square plus magnitude of AC square, you're going to get again 41. Hence, the points ABC forms the vertices of a right angled triangle. You want to talk about the area of a triangle ABC also, children. So, vertices of right angle triangle is very important question mark. It was there even in the NCERT. You can expect like this model in the exam. Area of a triangle ABC formula half into magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector. First find AB vector cross AC vector. I cap, J cap, K cap. AB vector coefficient minus 1, minus 2, minus 6 and AC vector is 1, minus 3, minus 5. Then you do as usual determinant. You know how we will do. I cap minus 2 into minus 5. So, you will get it as plus 10. Then formula minus 3 into minus 6 and you are getting it as 18. So, you will get 10 minus 18 is minus 8. The same way you can go for even minus j. So, plus minus plus. So, you will get 5 plus 6. Then plus k you can take it off. So, when you are taking plus k you will get 3 plus 2. So, 10 minus 18 is minus 8 I cap, 5 plus 6 is minus 11. So, minus 11 j cap, 3 plus 2 is 5k cap. Then do magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector, children. What are you want to do? AB cross AC you done, no. So, for that you have to do magnitude. Super. Root over I cap coefficient is minus 8 square plus J cap coefficient is minus 11 square plus K cap coefficient is 5 square. So, 64 plus 121 plus 125, we got root over 210. What is the area of triangle ABC? Half of magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector. So, we got the answer of root over 10. So, we proved it's right angle triangle as well as we have proved it is. We found the area of also. Coplanar concept is not in the portion, children. So, it was there. So, we don't want to discuss about it. Then 88th question, A vector given, B vector given. Express B vector in form of B vector equals to B1 vector plus B2 vector, where B1 vector is parallel to A vector, B2 vector is perpendicular to A vector. What and all we are going to do it. So, first we are taking B vector equals to B1 vector plus B2 vector, children. We know B1 is parallel to A vector. So, parallel na we can write B1 equals to lambda A vector, where lambda is a scalar. So, B1 vector equals to lambda into 2I cap minus J cap minus 2K cap. So, just multiply inside, children, 2 lambda I minus lambda J minus 2 lambda K. Then B vector equals to B1 vector plus B2 vector, that is also given. So, from that B2 vector we are finding plus B1 vector goes with sign of minus B1 vector, children, transposition. So, B vector we know already 7I cap plus 2J cap minus 3 cap, 3K cap. We are subtracting with the B1 2 lambda I, then minus into minus lambda J plus lambda J minus into minus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda K. Then I cap coefficient 7 minus 2 lambda I cap. Then J cap coefficient 2 plus lambda J cap. Then K cap coefficient minus 3 plus 2 lambda K cap. Clear? Check. Then B2 vector is perpendicular to A vector. So A vector dot B2 vector equals to 0. A vector is 2i cap minus j cap minus 2k cap dot B2 vector is 7 minus 2 lambda I cap, then 2 plus lambda j cap plus minus 3 plus 2 lambda k cap equals to 0. 2 and 7 minus 2 lambda multiply. Then minus 1 and 2 plus lambda you multiply. Then minus 2 into minus 3 plus 2 lambda you multiply. So 2 sevens are 14. 2 into minus 2 lambda is minus 4 lambda. Then minus 2 minus lambda. Then plus 6 minus 4 lambda. Just we are multiplying, children. Why we are doing like this, you know, Noma? Because they are perpendicular. Which is perpendicular? B2 vector is perpendicular to A vector. So we are doing that dot product equals to 0. Once you're doing like this, you know, minus 4 lambda and minus 4 lambda. So it become 4 chocolate and chocolate plus 4 chocolate minus 9 lambda. 14 and 2 you subtracted, you get 12. 12 and 6 you added plus 18. Plus 18 goes outside now, minus 18, children. Minus and minus gets cancelled. Lambda value equals to 2. Substitute that lambda equals to 2 in B1 vector. So you're getting 2 into 2i cap minus j cap minus 2k cap. You are getting B1 vector equals to 4i cap minus 2j cap minus 4k cap. Then B2 vector, B2 vector also same thing, 7 minus 2 lambda I, we already know. So apply the value wherever lambda is there and all you apply the 2. Then we are getting B2 vector is 3i cap plus 4j cap plus k cap. They are asking B vector only. So B1 and B2 you add. Okay, just write, you can just keep the B1 vector plus B2 vector and you can add it also, 7i cap plus 2j cap, then minus 3k cap. I hope you understood, children, what is B vector. Is this clear? Check what and all we have done. They have said to you to do the parallel and perpendicular, and they have asked you what express B vector in the form of B vector equal to B1 vector plus B2 vector. So we have written in the form. Go for the 89th ma, easy. So line makes an angle 90 degree, 60 degree respectively in the positive direction of x-axis and y-axis. Find the angle which it makes the positive direction of z-axis. X-axis angle 90 degree, children. Y-axis angle 60 degree pa. Z-axis angle what pa? What that is degree, like that they are asking. We know the direction L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. So cos square 90 plus cos square 60 plus cos square gamma equals to 1. What pa cos 90? Cos 90 and sin 0 is same. So it's 0 square. What, children? Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 and sin 30 same. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square. Cos square gamma we going to find equals to 1. 0 square 0 only. 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 4. Plus 1 by 4 goes with China minus 1 by 4. Subtract it and get cos square gamma equals to 3 by 4. So cos gamma root 3 by 2. So gamma degree what na? 30 degree. Clear? Check in the 89th. Then 90th one, it is a coplanar which is not in the portion. So we have to go for the 91st. A vector, B vector, C vector are mutually perpendicular vector of equal magnitudes. We want to show the vector A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equally inclined to A vector, B vector and C vector. Also find the angle which A vector plus B vector plus C vector makes with A vector or B vector or C vector. So what is the way to do now? First, given things and all we can write. Since A vector, B vector and C vector are equal magnitude, right? Magnitude of A vector equal to magnitude of B vector equal to magnitude of C vector, children. Take it as first equation. First step is clear. It's equal magnitude, so all the magnitude are equal. Go, first equation. Then A vector, B vector and C vector are mutually perpendicular vectors. Normally perpendicular na itself. A vector perpendicular to B vector na itself. A dot B equal to 0. Mutually perpendicular na. Then B vector dot C vector also 0. C vector dot A vector also 0. So then we will get, let A vector plus B vector plus C vector be inclined to the vectors A vector, B vector, C vector by the angles alpha, beta, gamma respectively. Then what for cos alpha if you are asking now? A vector plus B vector plus C vector dot A vector with x-axis. No, alpha is always with x-axis by magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector magnitude of A vector. So A vector dot A vector is magnitude of A square children. B is nothing is there. So 0 again here 0. So this magnitude of anything cancelling possible, you see in the cos alpha, I think you can easily cancel the square and magnitude of A vector. So you're getting cos alpha equals to magnitude of A vector by magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. This step clear? What we are doing? It is inclined angle. Okay. So A vector plus B vector plus C vector is one vector. Okay. That by each angle, alpha is with x-axis. Okay. So x-axis we have to multiply with A vector. So y and z is 0. So only magnitude of A vector square came. Denominator gets cancelled and we are getting. So cos alpha equals to magnitude of A vector by magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector means same way cos beta we can find magnitude of B vector by magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Similarly, cos gamma we can find magnitude of C vector by magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. So if you equate this equation, third, fourth, fifth, okay, and also first equation. What is first equation now? All the three magnitudes are equal. All the three magnitudes are equal, like that now. Then if you just imagine all the three magnitude of A, magnitude of B, magnitude of C, all are equal. Already denominator is equal. That means RHS are equal. How is RHS equal? Magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, magnitude of C vector, they said equal from the first equation. Then already denominator equal. So third equation RHS, fourth equation RHS, fifth equation RHS. RHS all equal. Then what about the LHS? Cos alpha equal to cos beta equal to cos gamma. How we are writing? RHS in all these equations are equal. So LHS also equal. So cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma equal na. Then alpha and beta and gamma are equal. Hence the vector A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equally inclined to the vector A vector, B vector, C vector. Also angle between them is, what is the angle between them now? Alpha equals to cos inverse of magnitude of A vector by magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Beta equal to cos inverse of magnitude of B vector by magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Gamma equals to cos inverse of magnitude of C vector by magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Clear? Check children. So alpha, beta, gamma, sir. Why sir you are finding this now? They have asked even angles. Then the 92nd question is literally same question ma. They are asking find the area of a triangle ABC vertices. So this question we have already done in the video. You just cross check. And 75B we have done the same question. Nice, no? So go with 93rd question. Write the position vector. So when they're talking about the ratio, children, divides the points in the position vector 3a vector minus 2b vector and 2a vector plus 3b vector. The ratio 2:1. So m and n are the ratio. A vector is one is 3a minus 2b, another one is 2a plus 3b. We can apply this formula. Or in that place, people will write mob vector plus noa vector also. The formula is, however we may represent children, there is nothing wrong. But important, it is internet dividing. So plus mb plus na by m plus n. That way we can do it. Like how we studied in 10th standard, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Like that. M is 2 and a b vector 2a plus 3b. N is 1 and a vector 3a minus 2b by 2 plus 1. 2 multiply 2 into 2a is 4a, 2 into 3b is 6b. 1 into 3a is 3a, 1 into minus 2b is minus 2b. So 4 plus 3, 7 children, 7a vector. 6 minus 2, 4b vector by 3. If you want, we can split it and write. So very simple, just writing the formula. 94th, we have already know. But anyway, this is an MCQ. It was very simple, but they have asked in 2 marks. So we want to do the steps. I will tell you both. Write the number of vectors of the unit length perpendicular to both the vectors, A vector and B vector. You know, it is there even in NCERT, and unit vectors perpendicular to A vector and B vector are plus or minus A vector cross B vector by magnitude of A vector cross B vector. So first find the A vector cross B vector as usual, I cap, j cap, k cap, and a vector coefficient 2 1 2 and b vector 0 1 1, and do the determinant expanding the r1 and get the value minus I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap, and do the magnitude of a vector cross b vector, children. Root over a square plus b square plus c square, get root 9 and root 3. Apply it and make sure you have to write a plus or minus. So what's our same only, no sir? Na? Yes. How many unit vector? Now since plus or minus is there are two unit vector. Plus minus 1 by 3 I cap minus 2 by 3 j cap plus 2 by 3 k cap. Then minus of minus 3 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So two unit vectors. Sir, anyway, plus or minus 2 only, no sir, like that. Now yes, for MCQ you can write directly also, but for 2 marks you wanted to do it. The 95th question again, the same question is there we have done in 40B. So kindly go through if you are not remember this question. Whether I have done it or not, that is different. Whether you know to do it or not only matters like anything. Go with the 96th question. Pa. The two vectors j cap plus k cap and 3i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap represent two sides AB and AC respectively. Find the length of the median through A. So this also can be done in more way. So we are doing by using the coordinates, taking A to the origin. Origin we are considering what? The A and the coordinates of B. How sir, coordinate of B 0, 1, 1? Like that na. They have given the one vector j cap plus k cap. So we are considering x. We know I cap is 0. So 0, 1, 1. The next one is 3i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. So that coefficient is nothing but 3 comma minus 1 comma 4. So that's what one is 0 comma 0, 0 then another one is 0 comma 1 comma 1, another one is 3 comma minus 1 comma 4. Let D be the midpoint of BC. AD is the median of triangle ABC. So D formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 comma z1 plus z2 by 2. Apply and getting that coordinates 3 by 2, 0 and 5 by 2. You know children, this is usually for vectors r vector equal to a vector plus b vector divided by 2. That way. Then 0, 0, 0 and d, we are finding the distance formula root over x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square plus z2 minus z1 the whole square. So apply root 9 by 4 plus root 25 by 4. So we got root 34 by root 4. Root 34 by 2 is the answer. So AD you got it as 1 by 2 root 34 unit. What is the length of the median? Again 1 by 2 root 34 unit. Actually in final answer they given square unit, but length of the median, so it was unit only, not square unit. And this is also one of the favorite question only. So mutually perpendicular unit vectors, and they will ask find the value of any three vectors, like magnitude of a vector plus b vector plus c vector, like any coordinate. We have already done like this. So since these three are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, all this magnitude will be 1. First equation. Since they said perpendicular also, so the dot product a dot b, b dot c, c dot a, all are equate with 0. Then you have to multiply the 2a cap plus b cap plus c cap twice, 2 times. So you will get literally like a plus b plus c the whole square formula. That is nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So 4 into magnitude of a square, then plus b magnitude of b square plus magnitude of c square. So 2 into 2a cap into b. So it will get 4a cap b cap. Then 2 into b cap c cap. So you will get 2b cap. And c cap 2 into c cap into 2a cap. You will get 4a cap c cap. Apply children. Magnitude of that will be 1 square. Again here 1 square. Here 1 square. 4 into 0. 2 into 0. 4 into 0. So literally you get 4 plus 1 plus 1. That is nothing but 6. So magnitude of the whole square is 6. So normally what you will get it now? You will get it as root 6. Clear a check. So 2a cap plus b cap plus c cap, you are getting root 6. Then you are getting 98th question, unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors. A cap and a vector and b vector is given. We know unit vector perpendicular to both vectors. Now the formula we have already done even in this video. Plus or minus a vector cross b vector by magnitude of a vector cross b vector. As usual, do the a vector cross b vector by using the determinants, children. You know how to do it, and we get the value. What we got? Minus I cap plus j cap plus 0 k cap. Check whether you are getting the same thing. Then do magnitude of a vector cross b vector. Root over minus plus minus 1 square plus 1 square, you got root 2. Apply in the formula. So minus I cap plus j cap by root 2, and we got this. So till this, any doubts is there? Like this, kindly check. Same way 99th. So a vector given, b vector given, c vector given. Also find a unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors. A vector minus b vector and c vector minus b vector. Since a vector minus b vector, you subtract and get this minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. And c vector minus b vector, again you subtract and you will get this I cap minus 5j cap minus 5k cap. So when you're doing vectors perpendicular to both a minus b and c minus b, na, consider one as, children, same the unit vector perpendicular da, but it's not like normally a and b, they given a minus b and c minus b. Important question only, you can expect this model, this type of model in 3 mark. So a minus b consider m vector and c minus b consider n vector. So the formula will be plus or minus m vector cross n vector by magnitude of m vector cross n vector. First to do m vector cross n vector, children, I cap, j cap, k cap, and apply minus 1, 1, 1 and 1 minus 5 minus 5. When you're expanding, you're getting minus 4j cap plus 4k cap. Then after that, do magnitude of m vector cross n vector, get that root over 32. Split root 16 into root 2 is nothing but plus or 4 root 2. Apply in the unit vectors perpendicular, plus or minus a vector cross b vector by magnitude of a cross b. Anything common is there? Check. 4 take common. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. And we are getting it as minus j cap plus k cap by root 2 plus or minus. If they are asking only number, then the number will be 2. They are not asked number, so you can stop here. So 100th question, children. A cap is given, B cap is given. Find the projection of A vector and B vector. You know very well. It is there in the book NCERT itself. Projection of A vector and B vector is A vector dot B vector by magnitude of B vector. Do the dot product. Once you do the dot product, we are getting the value as 8. And do magnitude and we are getting 7. So projection of A vector and B vector is nothing but 8 by 7. Kindly check. 101 is coplanar. It's not in the portion. Go to 102. That is repeated, children. Even the time they have asked in the 4 mark, actually 2 mark, 3 mark, you can expect this model because we may confuse fastly when we are writing this question. R vector equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. R vector cross I cap equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. First, we all should understand what is cross and what is dot. Okay, so we know that cross product and dot product. First, remember I cap, j cap, k cap. So if we have I vector cross j vector, you will get I cap cross j cap, you will get k cap. J cross I, like a cyclic, j cross k, actually, you will get I. K cross I, you will get it as j. Do you understand, ma? Suppose I cross j, instead of you got j cross I, you will get minus k cap. Same way, j cross k should be coming properly clockwise, but anti-clockwise, k cross j got minus I. Like that, negative will come. Another important thing in the cross product is same thing comes now. Because determinant two things repeatedly comes, so it's 0. I cross I is 0, j cross j is 0, k cap cross k cap is 0. So what we are doing for this and all, when we are applying, to understand R vector cross I. So xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap cross I cap. So x should be multiplied with I cross I. Y should be multiplied with j cross I. Z and k cross I. I cross I is 0. J cross I is I cross j than k. Correct? J cross I is minus k. k cross I is j cap. So y into minus k is minus yk cap, then zj cap. Then do r vector cross j vector, children. So xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap cross j cap. So x into I cap cross j cap plus y into j cap cross j cap plus z into k cap cross j cap. So we know what I cap cross I cap 0. Actually, j I cap cross j cap is there, correct? So that will become k cap. J cross j is 0. K cross j will be minus I. So xk cap minus zi cap. Sum over, sir. No. So what we going to do in this now? So just here in between dot product. Dot product we know I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k vector dot k cap is 1. Other thing 0. Like I cap dot j cap now 0. Other I cap dot k cap 0. So same vector cap dot only will be 1. So here minus yk cap and here xk cap. So k cap common. So minus yx comes. But j cap, zj cap is there. Here no j. So z into z. Z into 0. Zj cap here dot 0 j cap. So z into 0. Here 0 I cap dot minus z I cap. So 0 into z is 0. So we got minus yx. So r vector cross I cap dot r vector cross j cap plus xy. So this answer is minus yx and plus xy. So overall we got the answer it as 0. 103rd they say if I want to find the value of p, two vectors are parallel. You know, when the two vectors you want to make it as parallel now, that cross product of the two vectors will be 0. Perpendicular now, the dot product is 0. So a vector, b vector you consider both are parallel. So that cross product a vector cross product of b vector equals to 0. So keep that vectors properly, children. So when you're doing this, you will get I cap. When we expand it, I cap 2 into 3, 6. Then minus of minus 9 2s are 18p. So minus into minus plus, so 6 plus 18p. Then minus j 3 into 3 9. Then minus 9 formula minus. Then plus k. Plus k when you're doing what you're getting, children? 3 into minus 2p minus 6p formula minus 2. Then 6 plus 18p, then it's 0, here minus 6p minus 2, equate with 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. So 6 plus 18p is 0. Then equate this, and we're getting plus 6 goes inside now, minus 6. So p equals to minus 6 by 18, that is nothing but minus 1 by 3. 0 j, so that you can't equate 0 and 0. K cap you equate now, here minus 6p minus 2, here 0. Minus 2 goes inside now, plus 2, and p is 2 by minus 6. So p equals to minus 1 by 3. So 104th question is coplanar, that is not in the portion. 105th question is what? The same question in the question number 80. Kindly check this sums forward to your 12th standard friends. It will be useful for them. Thank you.